Today is a good day, man. I got a surprise for you guys, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this one. If you watched my last video, if you didn't, check that video out on the header and test pipe install. But today is gonna be my catback install. So, y'all guys ready to see what brand I got? So I got this big ass box in my living room. About to open it up for you guys to see what it is. Sorry for my voice. I woke up. Yeah. So let's open it. Whoa. Check that out, man. So the catback exhaust I got was a Magnaflow, if y'all guys guessed it. They gave us instructions, and they gave me some stickers. Finally, no other all the car parts that I bought ain't never give me no stickers. Ain't that something? They gave me some stickers right there to put on my car. But look at that catback exhaust, man. This shit is huge. Way huger than my stock one. And it's heavy as fuck. Damn. I wanted to show you guys, actually. I'm gonna take this out the box and show you what it looks like. Alright, you guys. Look at these freaking catback exhaust system I got, man. You got the flex pipe, the resonator, and the catback muffler. But we're gonna start from over here to right to left. Get to the good part, to the least good part, all the way to the good part, which is that muffler, man. Oh my god. But over here we got the flex pipe. The box actually gave me two pipes. One was a down pipe because this box says is for a 2001 Honda Civic DX, LX, EX. So it can go for any one of those three models. But I got the EX. So they gave you that extra pipe if you had a DX or LX. But I'm only gonna need to use the flex pipe and the resonator. What I like about the resonator is they put the Magnaflow on there. Like, that's clean. Even on this big ass muffler, you can see, if you can see a little bit, you can see that Magnaflow, and they put it on the tip. The Magnaflow Performance. Just like, look how fat that is. Like, when they take the shop takes off my stock one, or the one I have on my car, I'm gonna do a comparison of the one that I have on my car, and I'll show you how big that muffler is. It's not even that big. This one is huge. And the resonator is bigger too, so that's nice. I definitely needed an upgrade on my catback exhaust past my catalytic converter, but now I have a test pipe. So because the piping don't match up, and I told y'all guys that in the last video, so y'all could check that video out. It's the test pipe and header install video, so make sure y'all go check that video out before watching this one. Click that. And another thing about this damn muffler is, like, it's so freaking heavy. I could do like curls with this thing. Get some biceps, bro. Another thing I like about the muffler is the welds are really nice. They welded the hangers on there real nice. And speaking of hangers, on my car now, the hangers are welded on with the exhaust that I have setup I have on there right now. When I bought the car, I never checked underneath my car to see what the setup was like. I just know I had an exhaust tip, and the hangers are welded on. I can't even take them off, so I need a shop to do that, and probably make a new hanger for these. I don't know how it's gonna fit in my car, so we'll see. I'll let y'all guys know. And if y'all guys are interested in getting this, let me see. see. The part number for this is it's right here in the top right. 15712 Magnaflow performance exhaust. So I'm fixing to head up to the shop and have them install that for me. But I'm so stoked, man. I'm so happy to see what the results are like, man. That freaking I'm just looking at that catback exhaust, man. That thing muffler is huge. My goal for this install is to be like more quiet because my car's raspy right now. So I could do it before and after too. I might do it before and after to show you guys what my car sounds like now, and then when I put the install catback install, do the catback install, show you what it sounds like after. Alright, you guys, I'm off to go to the shop now, and I had to freaking put this in my back seat somehow. Had to open the window up just for it to fit through my passenger window, side window, and extend it from the back seat. I had to pull my front seat up because, you know, that coupe life. Yeah, but about to go to the shop, and I'm going to the same shop as last time, SS Custom Automotive. Custom Exhaust, hold on, it's SS Custom Exhaust Automotives. I'm going back there. They did a nice job on my test pipe and headers, so, well, no, my bad, I did the headers, they did the test pipe, so, and I might need to check on my exhaust leaks because thanks to a subscriber who told me that I have an exhaust leak because he had the similar problem, that I need to get them to check that out. And at the same time, I need to change my what's that, exhaust manifold gasket that I use for DNA and use my original. But I ordered a new one, so I got it right here. Felpro exhaust manifold gasket. I just bought a new one instead of using my old one because they say not to reuse it. So I'm gonna have them put that on there for me, and yeah, so catch you at the exhaust shop and keep y'all posted then. All right, guys, we're here at SS Custom Exhaust Automotives, and we're about to pull in and go inside and check it out and see what they can do for me. Pull up and I find another Honda right next to my car. Look at these shit, man. There's some nice ass cars here at this damn shop. Check out, you got an Acura, Mustang, Nissan 353, another Mustang, a freaking Subaru BRZ. Alright, you guys, I'm back from the shop, and they put in my Magnaflow exhaust, catback exhaust, and it was a success. I'm gonna show you after I put this big ass box in the house. I'm gonna come back outside and show you some sound clips of the new exhaust. Sorry guys, the car is not loud anymore, which I like, and now it sounds so much quieter, and just like look how nice that looks. Get a different angle, and then I'll show you underneath. Look how fat that muffler is. So fat, way bigger than my other one. Alright, so I'm about to crank up the car and give you some sound clips. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys liked the sound of it. I personally love the sound. I think it makes it sound more aggressive. I don't like that ricey sound, like, you would get from a Spec D tuning exhaust or a DNA motoring. That's why I didn't want to get that one, because I did my personal research and, you know, heard from other cars like mine's the setup they had, and it was too loud. I don't want that. I don't want that raspy sound. I want the aggressive, quiet OEM sound, but at the same time that performance aspect to it. So even the place I went to, they gave me stickers, SS motor exhaust. I don't know if I might put that on my car or not, but I thought that was pretty nice since I'm a loyal customer to them. I've been there one time before to get my test pipe installed. Y'all seen that in the video, in the last video, if y'all haven't checked that out, remember. And it's freaking hot. I'm sorry, I'm sweating my ass off. You know that Florida weather, if y'all guys from Florida. Anyhow, I'm gonna do some drive-by video with it, my new exhaust setup. I finally finished my performance exhaust setup on my car. I got the headers, the test pipe, downpipe, high flow exhaust, and the catback exhaust system. So now I'm pretty much, oh, and I can't forget the intake that I put in there, the cold air intake, which is by engine. So comment down below what y'all think my next mod should be for the 2004 Honda Civic EX. I got some ideas, but I want to hear from you guys as a supporter, what y'all guys think. So y'all guys let me know in the comment section below. How about this little ass go-kart got in front of my ass and he just riding? What the fuck? Heck no. Alright, you guys, I just showed you a sound clip of my car taking off. I'm about to show you inside footage of it, me taking off, and just stay tuned. Here we go. That shit take off, y'all guys. Comment down below what y'all guys think of that. So yeah, that's my full exhaust system now. I got the cold air intake, I got headers, test pipe, and catback exhaust. So that's all the stuff I have, mods that I put into my car so far. I'm working on getting some cosmetic stuff like got coming soon for you guys on the outside of my car. I'm gonna put some things on it, make it look real sporty look, and just make the car stand out in general, so y'all guys can see what's gonna go on. Alright, MG Modz fans, that's gonna be the end of my video. That's my full exhaust system now. I'm set, I'm done. Not probably going to turbo this car, because I said before when I first looked at it and thought about what I was going to do for this car, I said I'm not going to turbo it. I'm just going to try to build it naturally aspirated engine, full power, as much as I can get out of it, but also going to make it look real nice on the outside, on cosmetics, paint job, you know, you name it, rims. I'm gonna make it look real nice, look sporty, compact car. I love this car, man. Like I said, I did the full exhaust system. Now I got the cold air intake, engine. Y'all guys check out that video if you haven't. Check out the cold air intake video. Check out the header and test pipe video. And now the catback exhaust video I'm doing right now for you guys is finished. So I'm excited. I liked it. The turnout, the results were nice. Y'all guys seen by the video that I just showed you from the takeoffs and from the inside. Now comment down below what y'all guys think. and stay tuned for the next video. MG Modz is out. Peace.